Hey YouTube, this is Daddy O's Reviews with Shoe Collection Part 2. So starting at the front left, we have the Allen Edmonds Strand in brown shell cordovan. So this is their Balmoral punch cap toe with a unique and interesting toe medallion you don't really see anywhere else, I don't think, in the Allen Edmonds line. Made out of Horween brown shell cordovan, single oak sole, and this is on the number 5 last. Next to that, we have the Crockett & Jones for Ralph Lauren plain toe blucher. Again, brown Horween shell cordovan. They make this with a double oak sole and the split reverse welt. And then also interestingly, you don't really see these very often, but you have exposed eyelets in this particular makeup that Crockett & Jones does. Next to that, we have the Allen Edmonds Leeds, which is the plain toe blucher that they make on the number 1 last. Double oak sole, split reverse welt. This is their burgundy shell cordovan, but as you see, that's quite a bit lighter than the Alden burgundy shell cordovan, which is right next to it. So that one that I just pointed to, that is the Alden, what is their Balmoral plain toe, also commonly known as the saddle shoe. And so this is tone on tone, meaning burgundy shell cordovan on burgundy shell cordovan. They also make this where the saddle portion is black instead of burgundy. Double oak sole, this one is on the very last. And this is one of the shoes I've done videos on. This is one of my wear basically when it's raining or snowing. And it holds up very well. On the far right, we have the first of the cap toe Balmoral. So this is the Allen Edmonds Park Avenue. And as you can see, it's black shell cordovan. You can also see it's been a while since I've worn these, so we're starting to get some of the oils from the shell cordovan coming out in the stitching sections. Which is actually a great point. I'll make a comment about that. So shoes that you don't wear that frequently, if you have them in shell cordovan, frequently you have the oils kind of seep out of the leather. And all you need to do is hit that with a horsehair brush. It goes away. So that's a quick tip. So this is their cap toe Balmoral 6 eyelets, probably one of their most formal shoes. This one's in black shell cordovan, and it's on the number 5 last, same as the strand there. And then as we move to the back, row here, I'll continue with the cap toe Balmorals. So first we have the Allen Edmonds Park Ave, and that is in burgundy shell cordovan. As you can see, it's a really nice shade of burgundy. Then we have 3 different Alden cap toe Balmorals. The one on the right here, this is under Alden's brand, and that's on the Hampton last. And you'll notice there's no punch cap there. This is just a Balmoral cap toe. And then we have 2 identical punch cap for Brooks Brothers, also made by Alden. These are much older, these are much newer. And it's also interesting to see the shade, the coloration differences. I can't explain why that is. My understanding is Alden puts the same number 8 kind of purplish coating on all of their burgundy shoes, and it just wears off differently over time, I imagine. And then the last shoe in this particular video, this is the Allen Edmonds Bradley, which, as you can see, is their Blucher Norwegian split toe, also in burgundy shell cordovan. If you have questions on these or any of the shoes, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks.